Google Gemini, 6 new AI updates. Google just dropped 6 new Gemini updates, and they are wild. One of them can replace voice actors. Another one lets AI control your browser. And one turns your memories into AI art. Tested all 6 so you don't have to. Let's go. Google just did something big. They didn't just update Gemini. They changed what Gemini even is. Before this, Gemini was a chatbot. You type, it talks back. Cool. Ring. Now, Gemini can talk like a real human, can control robots, lives on your Mac, knows your photos, works inside Chrome, and it helps you build apps faster. 6 updates. Dropped it once. And most people have no clue what just happened, so I'm going to break down every single one. Plain English. Tech Talk. It's what it does and why you should care. Let's start with the one that shocked me the most. Update 1. Gemini 3.1 Flash Text-to-Speech. This is the voice update. It's nuts. Google's new AI voice sounds like a real person. Robotic. Flat. Real human. Here's the crazy part. You can have 2 AI voices talk to each other. Like a real podcast. One asks a question, the other one answers, back and forth, and it sounds real. You can also tell it how to talk. Want it excited? You can do that. Want it sad? You can do that too. Want it to whisper? Yep, you just add little tags in your script and the AI follows them. It works in over 70 languages too. Think about what this means. You can make a full podcast, just you and your laptop. No mic, no guests, no editing. Just type a script and boom, done. Or you want to make a YouTube video, but you don't like your voice. Use this. Pick a voice, pick a tone. Let it read your script. Audiobooks, same thing. Voiceovers for ads, same thing. This one update alone could change how people make content. Forever. Think about it. A few years ago, if you wanted a voiceover, you had to hire someone. Wait days. Fix mistakes. Do it again. You open a tab, type your script, pick a voice. Done in 2 minutes. That's the world we live in now. And it's only going to get faster. And I haven't even gotten to the robot update yet. Hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie. He's the CEO of Goldie Agency, an SEO agency that helps businesses get more leads and customers. While he's busy running the company, I'm here to bring you the latest AI updates. Julian reads every single comment on these videos. So if you have a question or a hot take, drop it below. You'll see it. Now back to the updates. Update 2. Gemini Robotics ER 1.6. Okay, this one is from Google DeepMind, and it's wild. This AI only works with words. You type, it types back. But this new AI works in the real world, with real objects, like a robot arm, or a self-driving thing, or a machine that picks stuff up. It can see an object. Think about it. And figure out how to grab it, move it, put it somewhere. Before this, robots were dumb. They could only do what they were told, step by step. They can think, can plan. They can fix mistakes on their own. This is the start of something big. Robots that clean your house, robots that cook, robots that work in stores, factories, farms. Is it here today? The brain for these robots? That's what this update is. And it's way smarter than before. If you're thinking, why should I care? It's why. The companies who own this tech are going to own the next 10 years. Not just in tech, everything. Google just made a huge move. Right, next one is smaller, but you'll use it every day. Update 3. Gemini app for Mac. Finally, real Gemini app for Mac. Before this, you had to open your browser to the website, log in, type your question. You just hit Option plus space, and boom, Gemini pops up right there on your screen. Ask it anything. Answers fast. You close it. Keep working. This sounds small, but it changes everything. Because when AI is hard to use, you don't use it. It's one click away. You use it all day. I use AI like this all day long. Quick questions, quick tasks, quick ideas. Having it one button away, that's how you actually get work done with AI. If you're on Mac, download this today. It's free. It's fast. It just works. The next update, that's where things get personal. Update 4. Personal intelligence plus Google Photos. This one is different. It's personal. Really personal. And I can now look at your Google Photos, learn stuff about you, your kids, your trips, your pets, your life. And then it uses all that to help you better. It's a birthday card for your mom? You can make one. Of her actual face. In a style you like. Want a travel poster from your Italy trip? Done. With real pictures from your trip. Turned into art. Want a thank you video for a friend? It can pull memories. Make them into something new. This works with something called Nano Banana 2. Weird name. Cool tool. It's the image system that powers all this. Here's the thing. Right now this is only in the US. And it's only on certain plans. So not everyone gets it yet. But when it rolls out to everyone, this is going to be huge. Because AI stops being some random tool. And starts being your tool. That knows you, your life, your people. That's a big shift. Most people aren't ready for it. All right, next one is for the builders. If you want to save hours every single week by using tools like Google Gemini the right way, I built something for you. It's called the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where I share the exact setups, the prompts, the workflows, and the automations I use to run my business on AI. You learn how to use Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, and more to handle tasks for you. so you can stop doing boring work and focus on the stuff that matters. The link is in the description. Come say hi. Well, let's keep going. Update 5. Google AI Studio updates. Okay, this one is for people who want to build stuff with AI. Google AI Studio is where you can build your own AI apps without being a supercoder, and they just made it way better. First, there's a thing called design previews. You type what you want, and you see it right there before you build it. The navigation is faster, way faster. They call it tab, because you just hit tab and move around. Clicks, menus, it's flow. Third, the whole builder is cleaner, easier. It's confusing. It's why this matters. Before, building an AI app was hard. You needed coding skills, hours of work, lots of bugs. You can go from idea to working app in minutes, actual minutes. And this opens AI up to everyone, not just coders. Anyone with an idea can build a tool, little app, helper, bot. I think this is one of the most underrated updates in the list because it takes AI from cool to watch to easy to build with. And the last update, this one is my favorite. Update 6, Gemini skills in Chrome. Okay, this is the one I've been waiting for. You know how you use the same prompts over and over? Like, write me an email for this. Fix my grammar. Make this shorter. You copy the prompt. You paste it. You edit it. Every time. Over and over. Anymore. Gemini skills in Chrome lets you save your best prompts as skills, and you just click once, and it runs. To summarize any page, save a skill, and click. Done. Want to turn any article into a tweet? Save a skill, and click. Done. Want to rewrite any email in your style? Save a skill, and click. Done. This turns your browser into an AI machine. That does your repeat work for you. Well, you do the stuff that matters. I use stuff like this all day. Having it built right into Chrome, game changer. Stop and think about all 6 together. Voices that sound human, robots that can think, AI on your Mac, AI that knows your life, AI you can build with, AI inside your browser. This isn't 6 random updates. This is Google building something bigger. They're building your digital brain that talks, sees, remembers, acts, helps, all day. Most people will ignore this. They'll keep using AI like a fancy Google search. The smart ones, they'll use this stuff to get hours back, every week, every day, to build faster, look less, think clearer. And in 1 year, those are the people who will be way ahead. It's what I want you to do. Pick one update from this list, just one. The one that fits your life or your work the most. And go use it this week. Don't try all 6. Don't overthink it. Just pick one and start. So that's all 6 updates. Which one is the craziest to you? Drop it in the comments. Julian reads every single one. And if you're serious about using tools like Gemini to run your business on autopilot, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. That's where I drop the exact workflows, prompts, and setups I use every single day. So you can stop wasting time on boring tasks and let AI handle it for you. The link is in the description. Come in and say hi. And if you want the full process, the prompts, the setups, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, come join the AI Success Lab. It's free. The link is in the comments and the description. You'll get all the video notes in there, plus access to our community of over 38,000 members who are all using AI to get ahead. Come join us. See you in the next one.